Good morning, children. This is our social studies book of class 4th, and myself, Snelata, will teach you social studies. Our first lesson is about the story of the past, that is, history. In social studies, we are going to study about the past, about the history that is called the past. As you know, you are having an album. What do you see in the album? On the album, you see your photos which tell the story of your past. Same way, in the history also, we will study the story of the past. History is the study of past events, particularly in the human affairs. The history is derived from a Greek word called historica, means finding out. Thus, the study of history enables us to know about the past of any society or a nation. It is the study of people, event, lifestyle, language, culture, religions, and the social political order of the society. History gives us an insight into the problems, aspiration, and the subsequent achievement of people of any society. It also provides typically chronological and continuous record of important public events and institutions. The history is divided into two parts, that is the prehistory and the history. That means the past time is divided into two parts, that is prehistory and the history. The period of studying before the invention of writing is called prehistory. The period of studying before the invention of writing is termed as prehistory. Due to the absence of writing, we don't have the literary record available for the study of prehistory. Our knowledge of prehistory mainly comes from the remains of past. They include pottery, jewelry, coins, weapons, and sculpture. Most of these remains found deep in the ground and exhibited by the archaeologist. Excavated that the things remains under the ground and they are taken out by excavated and studied by the archaeologist. Therefore, the era before the invention of writing should be termed as pre-literate. The record of pre-literate societies are called artifact. The record of the pre-literate societies are known as artifact. History refers to the period after the invention of writing. That means history is called the period after the invention of writing. Early writing was done on a palm leaf or a bark of a beeches. That is called inspiration. Inscription. Inscription were also done on a pillar, rocks, stone, coins, plates. With the invention of a paper, the writing study material became more comprehensive. So students, today we have learned what is history And what are the two types of history, that is prehistory and the history. In prehistory, we don't have the written materials to know the history, and in history, the period is referred to the invention of writing. Thank you. Next coming period, we will study about the need of